Y'all, we're headed out to the Outlet Collection at Riverwalk. It's a shopping outlet mall in New Orleans. It's waterside shopping along the beautiful Mississippi River. This outlet mall is located 5 or 6 minutes walking distance from our hotel near the French Quarter. This shopping outlet mall features brand name outlet stores, eateries, and services located in the Spanish Plaza. The Spanish Plaza was dedicated in 1976 to the city of New Orleans by the country of Spain. The Spanish Plaza serves as a remembrance in their historical past and pledge of fraternity in the future. As its focal point is a fountain surrounded by the seals of provinces of Spain. Today, the Spanish Plaza is adjacent to the outlet mall and very close proximity to the French Quarter and hotels. I hope you enjoy my family and I doing a little shopping at this wonderful outlet mall. You must come by and check it out if you're visiting New Orleans. My beautiful baby girl and I taking in all the beautiful views of the scenery. If you look very closely off to the side, you'll see the Creole Queen riverboat cruise we took a few days ago.
This has some nice jerseys in here. Like, they got the things. Did you see the Martin? Look at the dead presidents. Huh? Okay, you're in front of the, I'm trying to get the Martin. And, you see the Martin? Yeah. Did you want to go in there and see if they have something? Did you want to see if they have any cross-board? Hi. I got a real bag. I got a real Fendi bag. Either a crossboy or a fanny pack. But I want to be...
Yeah.
So all got small to medium sized bags come with an extra strap to make it a crossbody. Our fanny packs will be in this room over here.
Okay.
Hi, welcome.
Yeah.
I have some tiny types here. These are crossbodies, and I also have some crossbodies hanging up over there.
Okay.
Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you.
It's 60% off. So it's like one something.
The fanny packs are over there. See it. Let's go look. Look. Chris.
I don't care if it's There's one for $900.
That ain't even cute.
There's one.
They got Coach flip-flops. That's more like a guy.
Yeah, you're a woman. You still.
What do you think?
Good, man.
Y'all get it?
Looking like a fanny pack or a crossbody bag.
That's our favorite bags. You only have three, I mean, two colors. Red and the green. I like the red. Now, you know, I'm not a big fan of red, but I do like it.
We need something that can, you can wear and blend in and.
Yeah, if I'm going to concerts or I'm going to a roller coaster park, I want to be able to wear it where it's versatile and it'll blend in with anything I'm wearing. You see what I'm saying?
Let me run it back and see if any fanny packs came, any more fanny packs came in.
And these are crossbody right here.
Yes, these are crossbody.
What's the sale on that?
These are 60% off.
I love the cheapo. Hey, Nia, we're going to look at that one store we saw over there by the smoothie. That's pretty. That peach dress.
I love these jazz figurines. It just captures New Orleans. But they were so expensive. I was going to purchase one for my carry-out, but they were just overpriced. But beautiful though. Don't forget that they have a Cafe Du Monde inside the food court. Grab you some beignets, some delicious beignets. I hope you enjoyed watching my family and I shop at this beautiful outlet mall. Please stay blessed, kind, and connected. Thanks for watching. Bye.